Hey guys, this is Hunter with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we will be blasting this gear. As you can see, it has a bunch of grease, a bunch of grime buildup on it. And we're going to clean it up. We're going to use an aluminum oxide and glass bead mixture so that we have enough cutting edge to cut the grease and grime out and enough glass bead to make it look brand new. Hey guys, so we're back with the final result. As you can see, this gear looks brand new. No grease, no grime on this gear anymore. It looks amazing. This is what a simple glass bead aluminum oxide mix can do. It's something you can't do with any other process out there. Give us a call for more information. My number is 828-202-5563, extension 102.